Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. We go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real and genuine. This is my real trades, my real positions. Everything you see here is all my money, and we're trading and investing on the stock market, and we're joined every day by traders and investors from around the world who equally share with you their live positions, their live trades. And as you can see, the markets are down today 5.5%. I've lost nearly 2.5 grand today. It's a very, very hard day again today. But we knew that this was coming. I could have sold everything, tried to buy back, but I haven't. Excuse me, I haven't done that. I held my positions, and it's good that the Fed is getting behind inflation, or trying to get on top of inflation, should I say. It's a good thing, and it's that the markets don't like it. Of course, they're selling off, but hopefully this will bounce back. It is Friday. It's a time of typical selling off, so let's see how we can cope with this today. But yes, it is painful to watch, but we will stay in the markets. We're down, and we'll just have to brace ourselves for more pain. Okay, let's have a look and see where we are. Here's all my stocks lined up for you right now. Let's find out who is in the show first of all this afternoon. It's your very first time here. Please click subscribe and ring the bell. Let me know you're here. Give us a thumbs up, and that would be really, really helpful. There you go. Have I got... I think I've done it again, haven't I? I think I'm in 4K again. Have I made that mistake again? Let me have a little check. I know this won't mean anything to you, but yes, I am. Oh, that's annoying. Okay, my mistake. I'm over broadcasting again. It's because of the videos I made earlier. There you go. Can't do nothing about it now. We are where we are. Anyway. We've only got 1 hour to go. It's been a tough week, and we're all looking forward to a break. Okay, looking forward to a break. I am exhausted. It's been very tough navigating all of this all week. But anyway, let's see who we've got with us. We've got the Church of Logic. Hi, Mike. He's here. Lovely to have you here. Glad you're here with us, Market. Yes, we want to get your opinions on today's situation. We're always appreciative to hear Market's opinion and thoughts, especially on days like this. So let's see what he thinks. I'm going over now to my broadcast studio and see. That's it. That's what the screen I want. Okay. Let's get his thoughts. Market profit. Here he is. The only thing that matters to markets is the Fed. Like I've always said, they want equity markets and housing to crash. The only thing that matters to markets is the Fed. Like I've always said, they want equity markets and housing to crash. What, the Fed want the markets to crash? That doesn't make any sense. Can you explain that again? I'm not sure what you mean. The Fed want the markets to crash? What is the sense of that? How does that help anybody? Explain what you mean. Powell is an idiot. Church of Logic. That's his opinion. The good news here. Let me adjust some of these screens again. Unfortunately, I've got them too small, and I do apologise. The good news is my wife got a raise in a different area of the same accounts job, pays more. She said job is like crayons to here. Not sure. I'm not sure I understand your comment there, Bill. Would you explain that again? Maybe I'm not understanding what's going on here this afternoon. Maybe it's me. Just save your money until rates come back down. So what? Just keep out of the market, sell everything at a loss again? I mean, I can't seem to get past this point. Don't risk any more assets. SPCE testing all-time lows. Yeah, I've seen that. And I've got an average of 610 now. So at the end of the day, I've got a a lower position. I mean, we can't go to zero. The company, it's just high-tech stocks like this take the biggest hit. I've just been watching CNBC and I've been watching Yahoo Finance, and everyone says the same thing. High-tech risk stocks pay the price in times like this. Tough week, understatement. Indeed. Getting really sick of this country and all the people in power. Corey 2SS, it's over. Market crash. No, hang on. I wanna put some balance to this because we get such dramatic statements. All right, let's get one thing straight. Okay, let's go over to my main portfolio. Right, over the month, we are up. Over 3 months, we are up 10%. So over the quarter, I'm up 11%. It's so it's the one thing we're doing this job, which that doesn't annoy me, but it frustrates me because it's like everyone's trying to sell a story, everyone's trying to influence something, whether it's true or not, and it's ridiculous. The fact of the matter is. We know global markets aren't great. We know inflation's bad. We know the environment is a disaster. We know there's a war going on. We know there's all kinds of mega problems. But suddenly we have a down day and everyone goes, the end of the world's coming again. We had a month of going up. We had 2 days and everyone said the world was coming to an end. Then we had 3 days everything was going up, and now we've had 1 day going down. Let's just get it in context, people. Look, over the month, I am up 5.63. You don't come into the stock market to make money in 2 minutes. Everyone is so impatient. If you can't make money in 5 minutes, that's it. The markets are rubbish. We're all going to zero. We're all going to be dead. I mean, it's ridiculous. Over 3 months, I'm up 11%. No, I'm not saying for a moment that my 11% might go to zero and I'm back down to 28,000 again. That might happen and it'd be very frustrating if it does. But at the end of the day, you know, we have improved over the last 3 months when it's supposed to be this big crash. The moment the markets blip, everyone says the markets are going to zero and the world's come to an end. I just don't accept that. And I won't accept that because it's not true. It's just nonsense. Look at this guy here. We've got someone here saying it's over. That's it. What's over? The world's come to an end or what? What? We're all going to be dead tomorrow. I mean, what do you mean when you say it's over? What does that exactly mean? It's over. Everything's over. We're all dead. We're all going to be dead and the world's going to zero. I mean, it doesn't make any sense. Let me just correct this. I've got some issues. It's because I'm in 4K again. It's my mistake. I was making videos and I ran out of time. That's why it's a bit weird. Oh, blimey. It's very difficult to try and do when I'm live. But just want to share everyone's comments. It's important that everyone gets their say on the show. And it's over. What does that mean? It's over. What, there's no need to be investing in the stock market? No need to save your money? Just run under a bus and die? I mean, what does that mean? It doesn't make any sense to me. I'm sorry, I just don't accept that. There we go. That's a bit better, right? I think I've made that better. Hopefully I've made it better. Anyway, there we go. Corey 2SS, markets crash. Markets crash. Markets go up, markets go down. 5% is not a markets crash. I've been doing this now for 14 months, and this is not a market crash. This is stocks going down for the day. Church, this is what... There we go. Need to get these resized now. Okay, that's getting better. Church, this is what decades of free money and zero risk in risk assets and moral hazard. Everyone wants free money until it's time to pay it back, market profit, Church of Logic says. Very, very good point. Wife got a raise. I'm very, very nice indeed. Job is easy like crayons to a kid. Oh, I'm very pleased for you, Bill. Nice one. But Caden Youngquist is here, our young investor, 17 years of age. How are you, Caden? Lovely to have you here. It's got a great huge... Oh, my gosh, look at that. See, these comments are all out of sync. It's because I'm in 4K. I apologise. And when we get big comments like that, it all goes nuts. Okay, let's reassign that. We'll get in there slowly. This takes a little while to get right. Okay, there we go. Hopefully we'll be about there now. So yes, to tame inflation, they need to take liquidity out of the financial markets. My guess last month was they gave up on inflation. Today they've confirmed they will crush financial assets to curb inflation. So what is it? I mean, see, this is what I'm saying. Everyone flip-flops all over the place. Market profit, you said last month they'd given up on inflation. Now you're saying they haven't given up on inflation. Well, I mean, obviously people can change their policies, but at the end of the day, the same fundamental principles about long-term investing haven't changed, right? We go up, we go down. Long-term, we go up. I mean, that's how the world works, right? Otherwise, what's the point of doing anything? What's the point in investing in anything? You might as well just stick your money under the bed and set fire to it, because inflation just depreciates it anyway. Just like in the 2000s, they pretend everything will be all right, and then when it burns, everyone wants to fix things. Good way of looking at it. Just ready to buy it always. Just ready to buy it. Always hungry on red days. That's what I believe as well. But obviously, I've run out of money now. I've got no more money. I mean, I don't earn that much money on YouTube to be able to invest any more money, I'm afraid. Sorry, Martin, I'm not very happy right now. Speaking out of anger, hey, don't apologise. That's what this channel is for. Speak out of anger, please do. That's what you're a member here for. That's what this channel is for, right? Just like in the early 2000s, they pretend everything will be all right, and then when it burns, everyone wants to fix things. There we go. Martin, you try to weave your own story every day with relentless bullishness. You are no different than anyone else. What do you mean? What do you mean? I'm not... When I say I'm bullish, it just means I'm optimistic on the future. That's all. I mean, that term should be rewritten for me. I don't want to be labelled bullish or bearish and then you're in one side or the other. I'm just optimistic on the future because it's the only way to live. I want to make that crystal clear. I know in my heart of hearts, probably more than most, because I've toured the world and I believe more than most, certainly in America, because the climate disaster isn't as recognised in America as it is around the world. And I can tell you we're at the edge of an absolute global catastrophe when it comes to the environment, and that in itself will destroy the economy. But I don't focus on that because I can't do any more than what I do. I run my studio with solar power. I recycle everything. I don't drive a car. I don't go anywhere. I stay in my house. I do my own thing. I can't do any more. I mean, I'm here. I'm alive. You know, my house is solar powered in England. What more could I do there? I can't do any more. But you know, there's certain things beyond our control. I'm just saying that I'm an optimist on life, because you have to be. Otherwise, you might as well be dead. There is no alternative to that. Everybody has opinions. Yes, they do. But facts are facts, though. Facts are facts. Fed says pain didn't fight. Fed says pain don't fight the Fed. What beautiful view from top mountain. Eh? What? Johannes Tommy. What does that mean? Fed say pain don't fight Fed. What a beautiful view from top of a mountain. Not quite sure what that means. Loads of fear, that's all. And there you go. There's a young man's point of view. Loads of fear. Let me tell you one thing, and not one single person can argue with me on this point. No matter what happened today, no matter what Fed Powell said, no matter what the environment does, no matter what inflation does, no matter what anyone's earnings does, nothing. If today everyone had said we're not selling, we're just staying where we are, the markets would be exactly where they were this morning. Nobody would have lost any money and the markets would not have gotten down. They've gone down because people with money, which I haven't got, I'm still trying to get to zero, right? They've got money and they just sell everything. The people with money sell everything, so the poor man like you and I, most of us here and me, the stocks go down and we're down again. It's hard for us to get up, right? If you've got money up here and you're down 10%, you just sell everything. You're still up 10,000%. One of my friends bought Amazon when it first came out. He doesn't care less about this crash right now. He bought Amazon when it was a couple of bucks. He doesn't care that Amazon goes down 50%, even 100%. He couldn't care less. It means nothing to him because he's so far up. He's thousands of percent up. And that's the reality. If nobody had sold their shares today, everybody had said, right, the world's in crisis. If we just hold our shares, the markets will stay up and everybody will have money. But no. The people at the top said, I'm selling everything. I haven't sold anything today. I'm taking all the losses. Maybe I'm an idiot. But there you go. It's not about the market coming to an end. It's about the Fed and their reckless language. I thought the way he presented it was very... they used the word hawkish. It was very doomsday. The way he came... But he always talks... like for half an hour, 45 minutes. Today it was like blah, 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 blah. Boom, done. It's like, whoa, what's going on now? We're just going to destroy everything. It was very aggressive, even though it was talking very respectfully with a soft voice. It was very aggressive. It was short and boom and done, and there's going to be pain and everything else. It's just messy. Nothing seems organized. There you go. I agree with that. Markets will be bearish from now on till Christmas, I reckon. We're not in a bull market. Everyone knows that. We all agree with that. We're not in a bear market. I hear you, Martin. It will go back up again. There you go. Nate Miller, one of my friends. I hear what you're saying. It will go back up again, but I'll be looking to average down my space from $12. Was now looking at $5. Now a few hundred shares. I'll only have 100 shares right now. There you go. See where you're coming from. Church, the Fed's language is just as reckless, now trying to tame inflation as they have reckless for the last 2 years, pumping up the bigger bubble in history. Susan Bernard. Hello, Susan Bernard. You popped in and went again. Oh, hello. I was going to... You came in. I think you've gone again. That was quick. Who can predict when Putin finally gets fed up of the war? Who can predict when Putin gets... I wish somebody would just knock him off, to be honest. When this happens, it'd be one of the largest... Yeah, I agree. Caden, I'll agree with you. Because the markets has nothing to do with the companies. Nothing to do with the companies. Because how can it be? How can it be? One day Tesla's making money, next day Tesla's losing money. No, it's not. Remember what we've always said. Share prices are share prices. They're not valuations of the company. Right? All that's happened today. A bunch of rich people have sold all their shares and dumped it all on us, and now we've got no money now. That is all that's happened today. Glad I get to feel the pain when I'm young. Feels good. Susan Bernard's back again. It's not showing up that you're online, Susan. Anyway, blame it all on Putin. He changed the world. Blame it on whoever you want. No break stock keeps you down. Fed give pain, no more pain. I'm not sure. I'm not quite sure what your Hans Tommy is saying. Church of Logic, Powell pretty much said we can only care about taming inflation, and that's because it's political pressure. Forget real estate, forget jobs, and forget all about regular people's retirements. There you go. That's nice, isn't it? Powell pretty much said we only care about taming inflation, and that's because it's a political pressure. Forget about real estate, forget about jobs, forget about regular people's retirements. That's it. This is real people's money. This is how we're trying to pay the bills. I sit here 10 hours a day just trying to grow a portfolio, keep buying dips, put every penny I've got in that I make on YouTube, which is a couple of bucks a day. What can I say? And at the end of the day, they come on and tell you the world's coming to an end and all the rich people sell all the stocks. So we get back down again. It drives me flipping mad. I think it's only the beginning of the bear markets, and we will see lower than June lows. We better not have going to be harsh winter with energy. By the way, if you think it's bad in the US, 80% hikes on electricity prices in the UK. You think it's bad in the US? Go to the UK. People are sitting in the dark, and I kid you not. I'm going home in October. Thank God I've got solar power. That's all I can say. One thing is just to have to say you do, Martin, is demonstrate a good profit-taking strategy, even if that means only saying 10 or 20% and keeping the rest in. Yeah, maybe I should have done. Maybe I haven't got aggressive yet. I've never got aggressive. Maybe I should. Maybe I should just keep buying and selling all the time. Be as aggressive and manipulative as the rich people. Maybe I should have sold everything today, and then buy it tomorrow and flip it out again and just run around with a head like a bloody headless chicken. Come back to me in 10 years, CY, when you realise all this optimism was to keep you a slave for the current system. Believe me, I was you 11 years ago. There you go. Buy when very cheap, like COVID crash, but not buying the peak. I think we got that one, Johans. Timothy Trader, it's not people selling, it's the algos. Well, somebody's selling it. Someone's agreed to sell it, but somebody put the algos in, right? But that would mean people would just sit on their overpriced assets. Well, it's better than nothing, isn't it? The market will go higher in time. Just look at the history of the market. Markets crash all the time. I believe you, church. I am a skeptic on everything. I know there's lots of lies. I don't believe everything. I research what's happening, not just what's being told. Spot on. I hope you can believe what I say, because you know I'm telling you the truth, because I bear it in front of all of you. This is my real stuff, right? How can I be more honest than this? Hello, everyone. Dexter Sickles, how are you? No fear here. I am in for the long run. Very good, Stephen. That is the only way, isn't it, really? One thing that stunned me today was my SPY calls. Oh, well, not worried. They expire next month. $5.95 for space. $5.95. Let's have a look at space right now. I keep buying the dips. I can't go any lower. I mean, how much? I'm on 610 as it is. Markets ebb and flow, always have. One thing is guaranteed, I'm short in Bed Bath and Beyond. Yeah, it's a bankrupt stock. It's ridiculous. Do what you want with it. I'm not doing it, though. You're spot on, Martin. What? Spot on what? What have I said now? I'm behind the comments, aren't I? Taking out 10 or 20% on long-term position on a nice run in the market is very common practice. If you don't want to pay yourself, then don't. But then don't do it, but you lose profit if you don't. I've listened so much to Warren Buffett, and he said overall he's made more money by buying. He doesn't buy stocks, apparently. Warren Buffett has said he doesn't buy stocks, he buys companies, and he just holds them. I mean, I don't fully understand that, because you have to, how do you grow your portfolio if you don't take profits and then buy it when it's cheaper? I don't quite know that, but that's what he says anyway. Well, if Tesla goes to 193 to 200 range, I want to buy some, like 10 shares at least. Just remember though, Nate, I just want to make the point, right? We all know that Tesla is stock split, right? Tesla isn't down from $900, right? It's round about, what's it round about now? 246, 1824, 6. It's around $860 right now. So it isn't down really, is it? It's down 2.4%. And I want to make a point, actually. It's only down 2.4%. Tesla, by the way. No matter what happens, Tesla seems to hold up. Yeah, I'm looking to buy more Tesla. Seriously. I'm up 22%. Does everybody want me to sell all my Tesla now, take $2,000 profit, and wait for it? Is that what everyone's saying? Maybe I should start doing that. Maybe, what about this? I tell you what, let's put a poll out. I've got an idea for a strategy. I'm going to ask the poll. I'm going to ask you all now. Right, the first thing I'm going to do, though, is subscribe, ring the bell, and everyone's got to give me a thumbs up. Hang on, I'm on the wrong page. No, I'm not. What am I doing? I should be over here. Right. There you go. Everyone give me a thumbs up, smash the like button, right? I've got 31 watching. We're getting, I don't know if you've noticed now, we used to average around 25 to 30. We average around about 40 to 45 now watching the shows, by the way. So we've virtually doubled. It's getting really good in the last couple of weeks. So we're growing all the time. I like it. So I'm going to get 1 minute on the clock. And you know what we say? If you smash the like button, you win. Your stocks go up. All right? Because it puts the video out to more people. I give more positive energy into the world. More people watch our videos. And more people buy into the stocks. And more people make money. So you ready? 1 minute from now, everyone smash the like button. If you've not done it, then you want the stocks to go down. And then you shouldn't be here, right? Here we go. You ready? Okay. Smash the like button. You ready? Here it comes. You got 1 minute. I've got 37 watching now. Look, 37 on YouTube. All we need now is 30 likes. And congratulations on Mike today for winning the money on the cash giveaway. Absolutely great. Smash the like button. Everybody on TikTok, how are you all this afternoon? I'd love to have you all here. We've got a good audience on Twitch this afternoon as well. There we got 20 likes. We want 5 more likes. Said a chicky 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 pow pow. Said a chicky 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 pow pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please. Stand up, say please. Stand up. 5 more likes in 10 seconds. We've got 32 watching. Why wouldn't you smash the like button? Let's end the timer quick. I'm trying to end the timer. It's going to break. Oh no, I didn't mean to do that. I knew that was going to happen. I knew it would go to the wrong screen. I knew that was going to happen. Never mind. Let me change that back. Change that back. There you go. I'll smash the dislike button. There you go. Arnold the Palmer says, I'll smash the dislike button. Well, that's nice. You might as well go ahead and do that then. All right, brilliant. 30. We got to 22. That's not so bad. So anyway, let's read some more of your comments. So today, congratulations to Mike. Mike won the cash prize today. Absolutely brilliant. Mike says, I lost 160,000. Is that dollars? In 2008, when I was building houses because of the greed and market housing crash. Whoa. That's a serious amount of money by anyone's standards. Well, if Tesla goes to 400 again in the future, and it will be, and it will, you'll double your money. I've done it before with Tesla. Well, let's hope so. I believe that 100%. I believe that 100%. Martin, read my last comment. I think I just did, didn't I? Yes, I just did. I just read it before I saw that. Yes, dollars, yes. I'm down 13%. Church of Logic, he's having some pain, mate. I know exactly how it feels like, mate. I honestly do. I've been there. I've been in tears on the show. I've been margin called. We know how it feels. Here's Paddy and Alicia from Italy coming in to cheer us all up on such a doom and gloom day. All right, they're here to help us out, right? They're here to help us out. Absolutely awesome. Right. I want to have a quick look right now and see how we did today. I put out record numbers of videos. Everyone watched it, so that's going to come out. That's going to come out in the whatchamacallits, the cash giveaways on Sunday. You'll see which video I've chosen. So for all of you last night who took part in our marathon, the real fans last night, there we go. We're having a really good day. We're growing very quickly on YouTube. Let's see if we finally got 4,600. 4,599. I'm trying to get to 5,000 because at 5,000 we get a special guest on our show, as you know. Greg Dickerson. He'll bring a great big audience. He's a big star and we love it. So we're very, very excited about that. Anyway, any of you ladies want to get married? I want full ownership of your ports. Though they surely need some restructuring. Eh? I should have read that first, shouldn't I? I don't understand that. Arnold the Palmer, that's a funny comment. What's all that about? You say some funny things. I need to read your comments before I read them. I need to read them before I read them out. I wish I could share my Robinhood with you, Martin. I wish I could share my Robinhood with you so you can see what I hold and show it to the viewers. I think that you can. You can. Nate Miller, you are a member of our channel, so you can access Discord and share it on the screen, and I can share with everyone. You can call in, you can do a video call, you can video from your phone, you can do anything you want. You can. You have the right to do that. It's already set up for you. Game playthrough, just sub. If you just sub to us, if you've subbed to us on Twitch, then you will be in our free Twitch subscriber draw every single month. Every single month for my subscribers on Twitch, I give away the money I get from my subscribers back to one of you. All you got to do is subscribe to me using Amazon Prime. It's completely free. Bread Sniffer Rolls, subscribed with Prime. I think it says up there, look. Is that you? Is that you? Game playthrough? Is that you? Thank you very much for subscribing to me. Make sure that you renew it every month because it cancels. And every month, for free, I do a draw and you'll be in our draw. And the money I make on Twitch, I give back to you. I'm trying to get 75 viewers so I can become a partner on Twitch. That's what I'm trying to do. I've got 3 right now, as you can see in the chat. Anyway, so I want to thank everyone last night who took part in our marathon event when we had 5 videos and everyone watched all 5. They commented on all 5. They liked all 5, watched 5 all the way through. You guys were absolutely amazing last night. And I want to thank you so much indeed. I will put one of those videos in our cash prize draw for Sunday, and for next Friday, you'll get it on Sunday. So I hope that one of you will win a cash prize for taking that time to do what you did. You really, really did an amazing job. Thank you very much, everyone who took part in that. You were absolutely incredible. Arnold, were you talking about us? I have no idea what Arnold's talking about sometimes. He confuses me. Anyway, we've got a quick commercial break. I'll be back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. All right, and I want you to tell me what ad you saw. What ad did you see this time in the chat? What ad did you see? Hi Alicia, I hate rich people. How they go to bed at night. Church. I can sense some frustration from you tonight. I can sense some upset. So Church, I'd like you to call in. Seriously, I'm opening the broadcast lounge up right now. I'd like you to call in. Tell me what's happened today. Tell me all about it. Let's have a listen. The broadcast lounge is open. I believe Caden has posted something. I don't know where he's posted it. He didn't tell me. He just said in Discord. That doesn't tell me where it is, though. I've got to go hunting around for it. We've got a channel just for it. It's called Share on YouTube. Here we go. This is Caden's portfolio, everybody. He wants to share it with you. This is Caden's portfolio. Here we go. Let me have a look. This is the top half of it, I think. All right, this is Caden's portfolio. It's our youngest investor. This is what you can do, Nate. ARK, Google, Walmart, Tesla, Home Depot. Interesting. Diageo, we heard about that one. Rio Tinto. NLY, VICI, and MAA and BRCC. A lot of those I like. ARK Innovation I like. Google I like. Walmart, Tesla, Rio Tinto. Yeah, a lot of that's in my portfolio. There's some other ones there. Caden, thank you very much for checking that out. If anybody wants to go and check that out, and you can see more of it. All right. Let's have a look. Hi, Caden. How old are you? This port is better than yours. I'm not sure what Arnold's saying today. Anyway. Let me go back to the broadcast lounge. And if you want to call, there we go. Deep House Jeff. Deep House Jeff is calling us up, and he's live on the phone. We've got Deep House Jeff in the chat, and Deep House Jeff. I've got him on the phone right now. So let's bring in Deep House Jeff. And you might remember he called in yesterday, and I hope my memory serves me correctly, but I think he said he was from Maryland. I think I got that right. And we'll find out now. He'll tell me if I got that wrong or not. I'll find out. Anyway, Deep House Jeff, you are live on the Day Trader. How are you this afternoon? Oh, he's muted a minute. He's muted. I've unmuted you. Deep House, you've got to unmute yourself. You need to unmute yourself. There he is. Deep House Jeff, you're live on the Day Trader. Was I right? You're from Maryland, is that right?
Yeah, I'm also known as Church on here. I'm from New York, but I'm currently in Maryland right now.
Oh, sorry. This is Church of Logic.
Yep.
Oh, sorry. I didn't realise you were Church of Logic on. You've got another name, Deep House Jeff. I do apologise. I didn't realise that.
Yeah, I'll change it on Discord for you. It's no problem.
Oh yeah, that'd be great. And well, I can do that anyway. Let me just do that right now. Let me just do that. Change nickname, Church of Logic. Here we go. I had no idea. I thought you were a different person. I didn't even recognise. Church of Logic. Right, I can tell some sadness or some frustration in Church's voice tonight. So, Church, tell me all about it. What's going on with you today?
I mean, I'm doing okay, personally. It's a very frustrating day, in the markets. I mean, some of it is my fault. I'll take some personal responsibility. A lot of it also has a lot to do with, this just constant back and forth going on in the government and, with, Jerome Powell and the Fed. It's becoming extremely frustrating because, they're scrambling around just using fuzzy language, crazy language, like they're going to endure pain. I mean, it's just the wording they use. And we all know that human beings are irrational creatures and they're going to react to every little thing that you say
Yeah.
without much clarity.
Yeah.
Um, and I mean, I'm down 15%. I haven't even lost this much money when COVID started. That's why I'm extremely frustrated because it seems like these issues aren't getting any better. They're only getting worse.
Do you know, I'm right with you. I feel your pain exactly. I mean, you know, if I'll share with everybody as I've done over and over again. You know, I'll share. Look, my all-time position. I'm down all-time position now. Look, $21,000. It just keeps on getting worse. You have a green day. You think, okay, I've bought the dip. Finally, we'll start getting up, and then it goes back down again. And like you say, we get one direction from Jerome Powell, and the next minute it's a complete flip-flop and it's the other way. Like you say, it's bringing out the worst of human behavior. You know, there's no clarity, there's no direction. Suddenly everybody reacts, everyone sells out, everyone buys in. It's every man for himself. Everyone's running around like crazy. This is why I set this channel up to try to, you know, level it out. But I'm just a small channel. I have hardly any power over it at all. But it's hard, mate, isn't it? You know, you're investing. You've always taught to
You've
invest.
been a great help.
Sorry?
You've been a great help also.
Sorry, I missed that. Sorry, I cut you off.
You've been a great help as well, Martin. I just wanted to put that out there. I think all the information that you're putting out is going to be very helpful. The only issue here is, Martin, that I'm sure you're aware of, is that, a lot of people aren't going to be as logical as our family. We're a very small minority in the market. A lot of them are just, I always use the word trend. A lot of them are just following the trend. They're just going off of what everyone else is doing and what everyone else is saying, instead of just using their own logical sense and kind of using their own head on their own better judgment. So I do want to say you're still making an impact. I don't care how small, how big you are. It's a big help. It's keeping me level headed, but it's just tough when you doubled your money in 3 months and you're doing everything fiscally right, and then you just wake up one day and then it's all gone.
Yeah, I know, mate. I mean, I think before you joined the show, I was margin called and I was in tears, and all the family were donating super chats to me to make me feel better, and it was bloody awful. I was losing money, and now it's happening again. You know, I've risen up a little while, and I've been buying the dips, and now it's happening again, and you just think, I just can't get 20, 30, 40. You like to think if you could get 50, 60% up from where you originally started, then no matter what happens, you'll always be up. That's what I'm kind of trying to get to, you know? If I'm up 50, 60%, and then we have a really bad day, or we have a war, or we have a pandemic, or we have inflation, and I drop 20%, I just go, all right. You know, I'm up, and over time, you know, in 20 years I retire, or 10 years, and I'm up. But I just can't seem to get up. So I know how you feel. You're up one day, you're doing all the right things, you're buying the great companies, you're doing your investments, and then suddenly everyone sells out from underneath you, and it all goes down to nothing. Bloody frustrating, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very hard to decide which way you want to go. I'll throw in some put options when I feel like the market is being bearish, as it has been
Yeah.
for most part, and then we'll have that one week like we did a couple of weeks back where seems like we were climbing out of this.
Yeah.
Now, I'm not trying to make excuses. I mean, I do a lot of call options, a lot of put options, so I
Yeah.
understand the risk that I'm taking.
Yeah.
But at the same time, it's very hard to balance out your regular portfolio like what we do with space. they're making space seem like it's a failing stock. It just seems like it's a falling knife when behind closed doors, it's not a falling knife.
No,
It's just being manipulated.
I know. It's like we've always said, and everyone, I'm going to say it again, really you need to take this, take this in, right? This is the stock price on the screen that people are paying. Virgin Galactic is just one example of a great company. Whether you like the company or not, whether you want to go into space or not is irrelevant. It's a great company. It's not a penny stock, and we're only 99 cents away from being a penny stock. Startup nobody. It's not. It's a good company. And all that's happening now, people are getting together on Reddit and Twitter and everything else, and they're dumping the stock. And they're just driving it down. And at the end of the day, though, it presents you with the opportunity to buy it. I mean, I bought Virgin Galactic at $35 once upon a time. My only wish, if I could, but we can all wish like this. I wish I'd come into the market. This was day one of the market. I just come in today with my money, and I was buying all the stocks where they are now. Wouldn't it be great? But we can't do that, I'm afraid. But you can buy these dips, and this is where the argument for what Warren Buffett says, just buy the company. I listened to Warren Buffett last night for about an hour after the show, and he was saying that he never looks at the stock price. He doesn't care if it goes up or it goes down. It goes down. He's bought the company. He buys Virgin Galactic or Microsoft, or as it was, he didn't buy Microsoft, but he's bought companies he believes in. And one day he knows those companies are going to be bigger than they are today. And in 20, 30 years from now, he's got a much better position. And we should probably, do more of that, but that's not how people work, is it? Everyone's up and down, in and out. And it's a very tough world, and it's hard, and it makes you feel sick sometimes, but as long as you haven't sold out, I don't know what your situation is, but obviously if you sell out, then the money's gone, isn't it? If you walk away, the money's gone. But if you remain in the stock, it'll bounce back up again, and then you'll be okay. I mean, what is your position right now?
Well, I actually sold off all my contracts.
Okay. For a loss or a profit?
I kept my stocks. Some were profit and some were losses. I mean, really, I'm talking 40%, 50% losses. At that point, I was like, I'm just going to write it off.
Yeah.
But my regular positions like space, I'm in EA, Electronic Arts, which they're actually doing very well today based off of speculation that Amazon and a lot of other companies are going to buy them. So that's something to look forward to. I pretty much took some of the liquid that I had left from the losses, and I kind of dumped them into these high dividend stocks like Johnson and Johnson. I did go ahead and buy the dip again on Salesforce, as I was talking about yesterday. Space, I've even bought some more space at $5.97 earlier. So, I mean, I just feel like I'm chasing a falling knife, but I'm just going to keep waking up in the morning and being hopeful that me, chasing a stock down is going to pay off in the end.
The thing is, right? You don't chase a stock when it's going up because it's running, you should already be in it. I don't think you should chase a stock when it's going up. But if you have done your research, and you sound like the sort of person that has, you've decided you like Virgin Galactic, you've decided you like Salesforce, you know what you're buying. When the stock price is getting cheaper and cheaper and cheaper, I'm sorry, but you'd be an idiot if you didn't buy it when it was going down. Because if you liked it at $7, why would you not like it at $5? And eventually, if you were right and the company was good, and you've got to believe you're right, otherwise why would you be doing anything if you're just thinking you're doing everything wrong? What the hell are we doing here, right? If you believe in the company, you should be buying it when it's going down. But obviously, we all run out of money. We all use margin. We all get over-margined, and then we've run out of money. You can't keep buying it forever and ever and ever. But at the end of the day, you're doing the right thing. And I just want to thank Market Profit, who timed out Arnold for being insensitive. We are a family, right? Everyone is entitled to their opinion, right? But people get real pain on this show. I've sat here and lost 20. I'm down 20 grand. It hurts, right? And obviously our friend Church here is having a hard day. No matter whether it is his fault or no fault or fault of somebody else, if someone is in pain and having a hard day, our job more than anything else is to support people, never to have a go and take the piss and have a laugh. That's not what this family's about. And thank you, Market Profit, for timing him out. We don't want that, because one day, Arnold, you'll lose all your money and you'll wish we all supported you. So don't be disrespectful to people's emotions. It's not very nice. Anyway, so where are you going from here, Church? What are you doing now?
Pretty much what I'm doing here. I mean, I just wanted to throw something out there really quickly, that many people out here who's watching, what's a lot of money to some is little, and what's little to a lot to some is a lot for some. In other words, losing $2,000 to me it's horrible, because I don't make a lot of money. I make enough to live. I'm grateful. But when I see I'm down $2,500 in less than 2 weeks, I mean, it hurts. But what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to go ahead and play conservative again. I'm not going to get aggressive with call options and put options. I'm not going to sit here and try and time the market or try and time when things will get better. And some of my calls were long calls. I mean, some of these call options don't expire until 2023, but I don't have the risk tolerance to sit and wait for things to get better. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sit there, be conservative, just keep nibbling a little bit at these high dividend stocks. I'm talking about proven companies like CSX, Space, and, just every now and then just nibble in and nibble out. That's it.
Well, you raise a good point there. This is why I don't options trade, right? I've explained it like that, and that's not saying I'm right and you're wrong or whatever. I don't options trade for the simple reason I can't predict. And I can't predict anything, because at the end of the day, it's down to people suddenly making statements like Jerome Powell today, or everybody selling out, and I can't control that. I know it's going to happen. I know we're going to fly up, we're going to fly down, but I can't say when. Neither can anyone. If anyone can come on here and tell us when they can time the market, let us know, because you'd be our favourite, our best friend. Nobody can, all right? And the thing with options is that's what you have to do. You have to pick a price, pick a date, and take a chance. And I just haven't got the stomach for that. I know you can make more money doing that. You don't have to put so much money in to do it. I get the whole premise of it. But what you don't want to do, and I've learned this from doing this show now, is go from one extreme to the other. Balance is everything, right? We had Rob Brennan, and he won't mind me saying, because he shared the story with everybody after the fact. It took him a couple of days to do it. But Rob Brennan lost $30,000 in a few moments on Virgin Galactic, because he went all in on margin. It was on a margin call, and it was all on one stock. All his money was on one stock, and if it went down by about 5%, it would close the position, sell it from underneath him. He's lost 30 grand. And he hoped it wouldn't do that. I didn't know he was doing that, because I would have said that's you shouldn't be doing that on earnings, because it could go 5% down and then go up 10. And as it happened, it did. It went down 5, then up 7, and he would have still been in, right? But margin doesn't care about that. If all your money's on one thing and it goes below and it sells, and you've got, you haven't got other stocks balancing it out, you just got all your money on one. And that's what he did. And then he turned around and said, right, that's it. I'm done with margin. I'm done with this. I'm done with that. He went from one end to the other. Now, I got margin called. So that doesn't mean to say, that's it. I'm done. Never using it again. I think we have to learn from your mistakes, if they are mistakes. And they're not always mistakes. They're just, a bad bit of bad luck. I mean, if Jerome Powell had said if Jerome Powell was your best mate, Church, and he had a little chat with you before the announcement, and he told you, he knew your situation. He said, all right, I'll just say something slightly different, because I can always change my mind tomorrow. The markets would have gone up today, and everybody would have made a load of money, right? And you can't predict what's going to happen. But at the end of the day, don't do a knee-jerk reaction and say, that's it, I'm done with options, I'm not doing this, I'm only going to buy Rio Tinto from now on, and that's it. But that's why ultimately we need Virgin Galactic in our stock. Market Profit doesn't. He's got money. He can now just put all his money in the S&P 500, and he'll make a dividend, and it's safe. But when you're younger and you're like probably the same as me, Church, I mean, my income is on YouTube. I earn about $10 a day. I mean, that's my income. Everyone knows it. This is what I do, right? All my savings is here, and that's it, right? We have to invest in high-risk stocks. We can't just put our money in S&P 500 because it'll never grow enough.
Exactly.
Not a chance. I've only got 10 years to retire. There's no way. I've got to buy Virgin Galactic. I've got to have a stock that will do 200, 300, 400%. Then I can be the big wise owl and go, there you go. I'm the sensible bloke. I know what I'm doing. I sell all my Virgin Galactic and I buy the S&P 500 and I sit here with my 10%, 20%, my dividends. Look at me, aren't I clever? I'm not clever. I'm just older and further down the line. And we're all on a cycle. You've got Caden coming in, doing anything. He can afford to do anything. He's 17. He can go bankrupt half a dozen times and still be all right. We've got me and you in the middle, right? We need some risk because we've got to make it up. We've got to make it up. And then you got market profit at the end, loads of money. He can be sensible because he's already made his money. It's not because he's smarter than you or we're smarter than Caden. We're all on a different cycle and we'll all get there in the end and we all go through the same pain and we all get destroyed and feel shit. But hopefully we're all here to help everybody.
Exactly. And, big credit to everybody out there. Whatever your situation is, we're handling our business every day. It's not like I'm giving up. It's not like anyone here is going to give up. I'm still going to invest. I'm still very enthusiastic about the market. I do believe things will turn around eventually, but I don't think it's going to turn around as fast as I would like it to. And that's the reality that I have to face now today, is that we're still a long way from going bullish again. We're gonna have to weather this storm another year, it looks like, or even longer.
Yeah.
Before
but you know what?
we start to see things.
Absolutely right. But you know what? If I sold, and let's put it up on the screen right now, if I sold my entire portfolio right now, cleared everything away, I'll bring it on the screen. There it is. We sold everything right now. I've got 39 grand, right? Clear all away everything, pay everything off, everything's done. I've got 39 grand. I'll put my $39,000 with my 2,000, which I've got to pay the bills, in the bank, so I've got 41 grand. I'm now going to earn what? 0.5%? 1% a year APR in the bank? That's it. So if I'm lucky with my $10 a day on YouTube, in 10 years time, I might have 60 grand. Well, that's not much of a pension, is it? So we have no choice. So we might as well carry on investing, putting our money in the market, because I can guarantee one thing. If we stay out of the market, and market profit can do that because he's got money in his hand, it's a different ball game for him. He's told us he's got a really high interest rate because he's got, a lot of money in a very high interest account. And that's, when you have a few million bucks in the bank, you get high interest rates. But me and you, Church, we're going to earn about $10 a year on our savings. So we have to be in the market. So we're not greedy. We're not stupid. We're not reckless. We're investing in our futures, which is a damn sight better than the people are outside just drinking it, smoking it up, pissing it up against a wall. We are doing what we can. We are doing what we can to benefit ourselves for the future. And we should be in the markets, and we shouldn't beat ourselves up too much when the markets go down a little bit. It ain't our fault. We've just got to keep on going. That's the game we're playing.
Yeah, well said, Martin. And I thank you again for giving me a platform every time. This really helps. It's a big deal. And I look forward to still tuning in every day. And hopefully we'll see some green next week.
Yeah. Look at it as an opportunity. Look at Virgin Galactic right now. I'm telling you, I'm as sure as I can be sure, knowing what I know about Sir Richard Branson, knowing what I know about the Virgin brand, the company, this stock could go a bit lower. Nothing to stop it going lower. But it isn't going to run out of money. It isn't going to go bankrupt. So it's as virtually as low as it can go. And think of it this way. The upside to 598, work it out. The upside to this stock is astronomical. So here we are with the opportunity to buy Virgin Galactic or any other stocks on that basis at the big, right at the beginning of their cycle, if you like. And we just got to hold on, keep supporting each other, keep doing the right thing. and we'll get through it. We'll get through it, mate. Whether we got no money or not, mate, we've got each other's company and we've got each other G'ing each other up. But that's got to be worth something, innit?
Oh, absolutely. That's priceless. No one can put a price on a
There you
family
go.
and great relationships.
There you go. Hey, church, it's lovely to have you on the show, and appreciate it. You go safe, and we've all got your back. And if anyone hasn't, I boot them off the show. We're not interested. Church, you be all right, and stick with us, mate. All right.
You too, Martin. Thanks a lot, and good luck to everybody else.
Nice one. There's Church of Logic calling in today on the show, and I felt every part of that. You could tell in his voice, and when he came on last time, he actually came on via camera, so you can appreciate he's feeling a bit down, and I know because I've been there. I'm feeling like it now, not as bad as before, but it could easily get there again. Let's read a few of these comments that I just missed out. Discount week, yes, it is. I have a very low risk. I have a very low risk tolerance. Market, well, you can afford to, my friend. You can afford to. If I had the money in the bank, I wouldn't. I wouldn't have any money in here. I'd have it all in the S&P 500 in a high dividend stock. I wouldn't trade. I would just do the show and say, look at me with all my money. I mean, it's easy, right? Let's have a look at these comments here. We are getting 6% on GICs in Canada. 6%. Well, I couldn't get 6% on a bank on my money in the bank. You know, you're lucky. You've got some decent money. Song to cheer up church. Look at that. I've got just the song for. I've just got the song. I've got the song. I've got the song. Stu Walk. I've got just the song. Hey. Church, are you still with us? Because someone has bought you a song. I love it. I wish I had that 160,000 back and I'd be in good shape, said Mike. Mate, I know. I've lost money like that in my life. 30% loss on a portfolio of crypto. Much of this long-term investment trades that didn't work with 5% less sell today. So all feeling it. Yes, we all... Mike has gifted a membership. Mike has just gifted a membership. There's one free membership in the chat. If everybody starts chatting now, it's the ones who engage the most. Start saying something in the chat very quickly. One of you's going to win a membership. We all just need to be patient. It will come back up. Yeah, Rich Mofo say go to dividend stocks. Yep. What is this $1,000 going to do, bro? Yeah, what is $1,000 going to do? Wonderful family we got here. It is. Everyone start chatting because there's a membership to give away. We've got a song coming up. Oh, Logan Pizza has given a membership as well. We've got 2 memberships in the chat today. Unbelievable. Start chatting. On TikTok, we are giving away memberships right now on YouTube. And all you've got to do is come on in and start commenting, and you will get a membership. We got 2 that have just been paid for. So come on in. Make sure that when you come into YouTube, you go accepting gifting. Very, very important. You're right, Prophet. I hope one day I can be more into a dividend guy. But until then, I gotta grow by trading and then put the profits to long term. That's it. We all do the same thing. Alicia, I'm older and infused. Love it. Every stock has a risk. You have to decide whether you want to be in, how much patience you will have, and in hard times. Much appreciate honesty, church. I love it. Keep going, church. We love you. Isn't that wonderful? I'm rooting for church. We trust and hold in old infused Mike. Rooting for church also. Look, all the love's coming in here. I've lost 250 grand since December. I have lost 250 grand since December 21, but I made loads of money in oil. That's why I'm on space. No fear here. There you go. Nice one, Stephen Lawandowski. Church of Logic. He loves everybody here. He's lovely, isn't it? I love it. I'm here from TikTok. Where's my membership? Oh, that's the wrong attitude. Don't come in with that attitude. You've got to come in with support, all right? Don't just come in and go, where's my membership? All right? When you come into YouTube, you've got to click the thing that says gifting, allow gifting. If you didn't do that and you're not engaging and you're not saying hello to everybody, YouTube only pick the people that engage. Right, you got this, church. Raul, hello guys. Okay, family. Okay, the Faulty Towers theme song on the piano. No, ain't gonna be that. I got something far better than that. Looks like Moo play. Hello, Logan. I'm here from TikTok. Where's my membership? Start chatting in the chat and you'll get a membership. We're giving away 2. There are 2 memberships. Oh, damn it. I hit X on the allow. There you go. Why on earth would you do that? Why on earth would you come into a channel that is all about supporting everybody? See, so many people are negative and don't read or don't pay any attention. And there's a perfect example. A came in with a negative attitude to the most supportive YouTube channel there is. Like ever. This channel is here. There he's became a member. He managed to do it. He managed to get the membership. I don't believe it. I was just saying he came in and deleted it, and he managed to. Hey, Mike, that was karma. Yeah, but he managed to sort it out. I'm in. There we go. Congratulations. Right, the bell is gone. Friday's done, and still got one. Yeah, it's because he reset it. I love you, Martyn. Well, I love you too. A won the membership. Yeah, I can't believe it. Right. What we're going to do, I'm going to give you a choice. Going to give you a choice for the song that I'm going to play for church. Let me make sure church is still here. I'm sure he is. At CH, Church of Logic. It's the church, isn't it? Yeah, Church of Logic still here. Right, brilliant. He's still here. So, going to give you a choice. Right after this, Day Trader of the Day and this special song. So here we go. Let's have a quick commercial break and then I'm going to give you a choice. He better be. Yeah, I know. He better be. Everyone's saying we love you and we're paying to give you a song. And Stu Wax just paid $10. He's thinking, he better, well, it's just cost me 10 bloody quid and I ain't got no money. I'm losing a bloody fortune here. Right, okay. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Right back after a short break. Okay, that was a quick break. I'm here. Right. Okay, here we go. We got Day Trader of the Day. Let me see a minute. Let me have a quick look. I'm going to give you a poll and let you choose. By the way, because of all you guys, there is some success today. Look at the YouTube channel. Look at the YouTube channel. All these lines are views. We've had 294 views in the last 60 minutes. 30 videos getting watched at once. All the videos you watched yesterday took off. Thank you for that. When the newsletter comes out on Sunday for the free prize draw, I need a membership. Farm Ace 100. Well, you've got to start commenting. I think there's one more membership to give away. All right. Let's see if we've now got 4,600 subscribers. 4599. 4601. We did it. We need 5,000 to get our star guest to come on the show. So thank you very much for that. Right. I'm going to go back to what's important now. And that is church. So church is the word of the day for Church of Logic. So here we go. We're going to do a poll. I'm going to give you 2 choices. All right. Okay, here we go. So, oh, hang on. I've done it wrong. By the way, if anybody buys one of my beer mugs, send a picture in of you using it and I'll put it on the show. Right, create a poll. Here we go. Which song for church? Right, Smile by Michael Jackson. That's a good one. But that'll make him cry, though. That'll make him cry. Or always look on the bright side of life. Monty Python. Monty Python. And there you go. Side of, I can't even spell of. Amazing, right? You go through life and then realise you can't even spell of. There we go. Always look on the bright side of life. Monty Python. There you go. Ask the community. See what happens. All right. Matt Wielden's just come in. How are you, Matt? Welcome to the show. Welcome, everybody. So we're going to do a song in the studio. I'm going to go back to the studio, pump all the smoke, let all the lights come down. One of our mates on here is having a hard time on TikTok. Click on the profile, come into YouTube. We're giving away free memberships. We've got one more membership to give away. One of our members has paid for it. It's paid for. All you got to do is come into YouTube and say... you got to click the little button which says allow gifts and then start chatting and you'll win a membership. We've got one more to give away. Do both of them. I can't do both. I've only had $10 or £10. I need another super chat if I'm doing both. So let's have a look. Here we go. I need a free membership. Farm Ace come from TikTok. Brilliant. And we've got a new friend, Chris H. Life's a crock of... Yeah, exactly. That's the words in the song. All right. Oh, hang on a minute. Did it not go out? Have I not posted it yet? I've not posted it. I can't believe it. Ask the community. Why haven't I done it? Add an option. Hang on a minute. Why hasn't it gone out? Ask the community. I'm trying to do it. That's weird. Oh my gosh. I've broken it. Okay. I'll do it again. Which song? I'll do it quicker this time because you already know what it is, right? Smile by Michael Jackson or Always Look. You know what I mean. Always look on the bright side of life. Always look. There you go. We'll try again. Oh my gosh, that was complicated. Omar, I don't see the option to accept gifts. When you come on in, it's because I don't know why that is. I don't know why you don't see that. It's definitely there. Right. Virgin Galactic has gone up in the after hours. Nextra Energy is on a wash. Friday night. Monday we start again. Chris has become a member. I think Chris has won the membership. Did Chris win the membership? There you go. Chris came over from TikTok. He's won a membership on YouTube. That was paid for by Logan Pizza. There you go. Now you can get loads of benefits and perks. So what you do, for those of you, right, this is what we're going to do now. Everyone, you've got to make sure everyone is subscribed and rung the bell. We've got a big song coming up for church. Have you all subscribed and rung the bell? We go live 10 hours a day, right? Have you smashed the like button? You done that? Okay, so here we go. This is my last time to tell you. Every Friday morning, this morning we gave away a cash prize. We do it every Friday. Next Friday, we're giving away 2 cash prizes. The one if you subscribe to Twitch, which is free, using Amazon Prime. Links are below. Here is the link if you use Amazon Prime, all right? The other one is the cash prize. Here is the Twitch link, and we're doing it next Friday. We do it every Friday, but next Friday we got 2. So here is the Twitch link, and if you want to be in our cash prize draw, all we ask you to do every week, we send out a newsletter, and it tells you which little short video, like a 1-minute video, you have to watch, leave a comment, and you'll be in a draw. Easy. And we do it every single Friday. So here is the last chance for you to get the email. It goes out on Sunday. Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT. Here is the link. It's the very last time I'm going to show you this week. That's it. And if you don't sign up for it now, you will not have another chance until you won't be able to be in next Friday's giveaway. Because next Friday's giveaway is on this Sunday's email. All right. Now, once you click on that link, it will bring you to this here. You put in your email. All you do is put in your email. Then you'll be sent a verification email because we do things in a secure way. So we don't have bots and scammers and people like that. So it's a secure website, HTTPS. All right. It will send you a verification email. The verification email is in the chat right now. It's thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. And look in your junk folder. It always goes in your junk folder because it contains the words cash prize draw. Once you verify it on Sunday, look out for the email. You can then enter the competition for the Friday. Make sense? That's it. Now, the people that have become members today, you can also get many perks and benefits. One of those is a birthday surprise on your birthday for you or your family. Also, you get YouTube membership status on Discord. There is the Discord in the chat. Once you go to Discord, let me know what your name is. I manually do it here in the chat for you all to see. I upgrade you. It's not automatic because we don't have it scammed and bots and stuff like that. I do it manually for you. Okay, so once you've signed into Discord, we're now going to do the song. So stick with me a second. I will see you here in the chat on Discord. And when you come up, you tell me who you are. See, you tell me who you are in Discord once you sign in. And I will then manually make you a YouTube member. And then you will get all the perks. Okay, this is Discord right now. Okay, very good. Okay, it's time to do a song. Before that, though, right before the song, it's Day Trader of the Day. Let's find out who won or who lost the most money today. Who made the most money, who lost the most money. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Day Trader of the Day. Once I put my score on the door, I am down 6.2%. Yep, you heard me right. Down 6.23%. There you go. I'm in Discord now. I am Greek. Just changed my name to Chris H. Well, thank you very much for doing that. Let me look on Discord right now. I will see you. Let me go into the welcome all. And are you a member? Chris H. Yes, you are. And this is you, is it? Chris H. Let me just do this for our guest, and then we got the song. I'm now in Discord with Greek. Just change Chris H. There we go. I'm going to change that to Chris H. so we know who you are. And I'm going to make you a YouTube member, which gives you many, many perks. Oh, he's already done it. He's already done it. There we go. Chris H. already done it. He did it for me. Right. There you go. And I'm now going to make you a YouTube member. Okay. There you go. YouTube member. You can now see all the channels, which means you can call in. You can see all my stock tips. And as a bronze member, you can get you can have a birthday celebration when it's your birthday for you or your whole family. If you ever upgrade for $2, you can have a 20-minute fundraiser or a concert. I've raised a lot of money for charities in this studio, and you can see it behind me. You can have all this benefit. There are many, many perks. You've been our free prize draw. The list goes on and on and on, all right? As long as you're a member. Fantastic. If you want to call in at any point, you can call in. The broadcast lounge is shut now. We won't do it for today. We'll do it back again. We're back again on Monday. Right, always look on the bright side of life. It's 55%. It's pretty much on the line. So I'm going to give you 1 minute. We're doing the day trade of the day first of all. And if I get another super chat, I will do both songs. If I don't get any more, if I don't get another $10, I will only do the winner. Okay, so you have 1 minute to decide. So here's my score. Here's my score. 1 minute on the clock. Here we go. I'm down 6.23. Stewok, are you down 32% or is that 0.32? Tell me that's 0.32, mate. My gosh, tell me that's 0.32. Down 5%. My God. Down 12.32. Wow, some big drops here today. Down 4.18. Down 2.59. Down 5%. Everyone's down. Down 3.7. Down 5.42. This is the reality of it, right? This is people's pensions. Down 32%. Down 4.82. Down 19%. Down 7. I feel quite good. Bloody hell. Some of these numbers are off the scale. Down 7.8. Down 18.31. Got some cash averaging to do next week. Church of Logic, 18%, mate. I don't think Stewok is down 32. Is that 32%? Just confirm to me, Stewok, that is 32%. This is the guy that has just bought Church of Logic a song. How nice is that? Boom, chicky, 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 boom, boom, boom. Yeah, I missed it, didn't I? Yes, 32%. This is the guy that just bought you a song. How nice is that? We're going to pull through this. 32%. Church, you must feel a little bit better. I mean, it doesn't make you feel better, does it, when someone is like worse off than you? But it should do. 32%. I've been there. I've had days like that. My God. I mean, overall, I am down that much as well. I mean, let's get one thing straight. Overall, I'm down that much as well. All right. I mean, overall, I'm down that much as well. But used to it in crypto. Oh my God, man, I owe you. Don't sweat it. We're going to pull through this. Right. So I'm going to give 1 minute on the clock. If I don't get a $10 super chat, I'm doing one song. And the one song will be Always Look on the Bright Side of Life. Oh, in fact, I don't need the clock. If by the end of the song, I've got a $10 super chat, I'll do the other song as well, which is Smile. Smile by Charlie Chaplin, which is Michael Jackson. And I'm also going to do Always Look on the Bright Side of Life. Unless I don't get any more super chats. You know what I mean. Right. Okay, it's song time. I'm going to end the stream over on... No, I'm not. I'm going to keep you on TikTok and bring you over there. Right? But that's it. That's it. We're done. We're done. We're back on Monday morning. I hope everyone signed up for the newsletter so you can be in on the draw. Sorry Not Lost, down 12,000. Oh my gosh. Sorry Not Lost, down 12 grand. I didn't sell. Yeah, I didn't sell. Yeah, if you've not sold, you're not down at all. You're just down, miserable, upset, fed up, pain in the ass. All right? Okay. Enough of the stocks. We'll turn the stocks off. We're done with the stocks. It's time to do a song. Let's pump out the smoke. Pump out the smoke. Here we go. Always look on the bright side of life. I'm holding on. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right. Okay. Back of the studio. Always look on the bright side of life. It's 50-50 right on the line. Look at that. 50-50. If I get another super chat, I'll do the other song. But I'm going to end the poll. Oh my gosh, it was literally right on the button, wasn't it? Right on the button. Here we go. This is a special... This song has been paid for and dedicated to the Church of Logic. How nice is that? All right, here we go. Change the screen now. All right, everybody can chat now. Okay, here we go. Okay, we all good? Always look on the bright side of life. Come with me, TikTokers. All right, you ready? Okay, put you on here. Okay. We're all set to go. Always look on the bright side of life. Let's get that a little bit there. There you go. All right, we're all set. Right. Stick me hat on. Might as well have hat on. Piano. Okay. So here we go. Always look on the bright side of life. I want to see everybody's name scrolling through. Here we go. Always look. This is especially especially for Church of Logic and all his mates here on the Day Trader. Especially for Church of Logic and all his mates here on the Day Trader. Especially for Church of Logic and all his mates here on the Day Trader. Hang on a minute. Church of Logic. That's better. I had a little technical glitch then, didn't I? Did you hear all the sound come out? Always look. All right. Oh, this was donated to Church of Logic. I love that. I think it's brilliant. Always look on the bright side of life. All right. Okay, here we go. Here is our special song for the Church of Logic. Always look on the bright side of life. Some things in life are bad. They can really make you sad. Other things can make you swear and curse. When you're chewing on life's gristle, grumble, don't give a whistle. This helped make your thing turn out for the best. I said, we'll do it all over again. Church of Logic, we've got your back, mate. We're always here. We're always here. The bright side of life. Shidoo-be-doo. Shidoo-be-doo-be-doo. I said, always look on the bright side of life. See you on Monday. Oh, the song's finished. Ta-ra.